Hi, I'm Navid Ansari, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can promote your other games in your game. So let's say we have this empty game and we promote our game by just showing a picture of our game, and when they click on it they will be directed to our other game page in Google Play, and you can see it, they can download it and play it. Okay, so without any further ado, let's begin. So for that I want to create a new project. Let's call it my other game. Let's save, and in here I want to, for just testing, I want to add a sprite in here, and this is our sprite. That's cool, right? And let's now create an object and let's just call it OVG my other game. Okay, so let's give it an sprite in here and add a mouse left press event to it. What you need to know is that your game should be published. Okay, so you see that Stick War Legacy is published before and we can use it for testing. What you need to do is, what you need to copy in here is from here, details, question mark ID equal the package name, and just copy this from details to end of our package domain. Control C to copy it and go to GameMaker. In this left press I want to say URL open, and here let's just say, you should say market // and after that paste that string that we copied from Google Play in here. So that's all you need to do, market, and after that just put this, and after that just paste the string that we copied from marketplace. Know that everything is set up. You should go to game option, go to Android, and in here select all of the architecture, and when you done that, go to here, select Android and select the phone that you want to install it on. After that we can hit this run button or hit F5 to run your game, and you can see the images here, and whenever we click on it, it will redirect us to the page of Stick War Legacy, and they can install your other games and play with it. I hope you like this video. If you wanna help me, please hit the subscribe button and like button, and if you can, please share this video so everyone can use that. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.